I've been tracking USD for long positions and I've been waiting since last week. So one good trade setup has just formed. So I'll break it down for you. So we're gonna start from the weekly perspective. So we see we were in this long downward trend, this descending channel, and we saw break of this structure to the upside. And after we broke this structure, technically around here, we see price started creating higher highs here in the daily time frame. And also we see EMA crossover to the upside, broke the 200 EMAs, which acted as resistance. Now the price is above that. And all of this, you're seeing the 200 EMAs, the 4, the 14, the 8, all of them are pointing to the upside. And when you break this down to the daily, we see that that was the resistance level that price rejected, and price acted here as a support and went to the upside. And since then we see price creating high 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 low high 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 low based on the daily structure, high 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 low high 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 low. So technically we have this kind of uh high low at this level, which is indication for an uptrend. So this is daily support level, and when you break this down to the 4-hour time frame, this was we create high 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 low high 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 low high 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 low high high, went for a complete retest, created another high, then we see market just went to the downside. So technically here we're in like in a kind of consolidation area here. Let me put that color yellow so you can see. So we're technically in a consolidation area, and structure is still being maintained to the upside. And the other thing that I was waiting for was a confirmation in the 1 hour time frame. So I said, okay, in low time frames like H1, H4, we could see, okay, we are creating these high highs, but technically a structure was broken, so we had this shift to the downside. So this was a temporary move to the downside for for it to be aligned with the daily structure. So then, okay, creating lower highs, low low, low high, low low, low high, low low, low high. Then normally this is the place where I normally tell people, okay, you wait for break of structure, like what happened, high momentum to the upside, then you wait for a retest. So we already got this big momentum. So this one is like kind of like our bottom. Then we see this big uh, momentum to the upside. So what are we gonna wait for? We're gonna wait for a slight pullback, maybe around that level. Then we're gonna see long position to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. Also, based on the fundamental the European economy is growing, is doing well. So in terms of GDP, so that's why we're gonna see massive gains in the euro. So that's like my base projection of this trade. So structure is based on the daily. So we're gonna use our fibs also on the daily. So I'm gonna use the fibs from this low to this high. We're seeing prices respecting the 78.6%. So our target is going to be 0.27. That's around that level. And let me break it down to to a lot time frame so you can see. So that's our stop loss is going to be around there, around that previous low. So that's a good risk to reward. That's around 1:3.5. So that's a good trading setup. I wish you guys have a good trading day. That's a very good opportunity. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll be glad to help you.